right, so what's the setup here? What's the engine?
It's a 350 small block Chevy.
350 small block?
Yeah, it's bottom end is easy for a crate bottom end. Heads are worked over to 202, 160 valves. A lot of port work done. The intake's port matched. Bottom end is basically Chevy performance crate motor. It's forced crank, aluminum pistons, standard aluminum rods. It's nothing fancy, but it's a 4-bolt main, strong bottom end. Turbo kit's custom except for the headers. The headers is all CX Racing, intercooler CX Racing.
Okay.
And then all the exhaust work, turbo work was done at SPI Tuning out here in Dundas. They did a lot of work themselves.
Nice.
The fuel injection on top is EFI by Holly. It's our Holly EFI, the Sniper kit. It's the original one, which wasn't built for boost, but I had it remount by Holly. They sent it back. Now it's good enough for boost. It's built for about 600 horsepower. This thing puts well over 600 horsepower down. So it's exceeding what its limitations are right now.
So you're putting 20 pounds.
20 pounds, blew the left turbo.
Okay.
But 15 pounds, we were running consistently 10.7s. 10.7s at 123.
Okay.
The 20 pounds, I let out at the 1,000 when I saw the smoke.
Yeah.
It ran a 10.7 at 124. Let off. So the thing was going for a low 10. It was going for probably a low, like a 10.2.
Turbo couldn't hold it though.
No, turbo just couldn't hold it. So now we know we need better than just eBay turbos.
We're rid of the eBays, yeah.
Yeah, get into the Garrett, get into...
Or at least have a box full of spares. So.
Okay, yeah.
No, yeah. I mean, hey, that's all right. You know,
yeah, it's all in the fun of the game.
Cool. How much does this car weigh?
The truck weighs 3,200 pounds. It made, on 7 pounds, it made 435 and 609.
Okay.
So it made good. It made a ton of torque. On 20 pounds, I have no idea what it makes.
435 horse and
435 horse
pound-feet.
and 609 foot-pounds of torque. A lot of torque. Diesel torque. It's basically truck heads. The heads are worked over truck heads, so they're made to make torque. But the amount of torque they were making was unexpected, even by SPI. Yeah. The back end is still a Chevy 10-bolt, a 7.5-inch 10-bolt rear end, 370 gears. Auburn center section, Moser axles. The diff is a TH350 built locally at Alton Transmission. Nice. Oh, sorry, no. There's a guy out in Guelph that built this one, but locally built. It's been holding up since turbo, but everything's held up. It's been a build for about 4 years. Okay. It started as a 16-second car, running it as hard as I could.
Just a stock.
Just running it as hard as I could. Yeah.
What comes in these cars? Is it a 350?
No, what came in it was a 289 or a 263, something very small. Okay. It was a 4.4 liter V8.
Oh, okay.
And they were for the Super Sport. They made 100 horsepower.
Really?
Yeah. That was the Super Sport of that year.
What size tires on this?
It's 28 by 10.5 in the rear, and then just standard 4.5 by I think 26 in the front. Okay. I think it's a pro bracket tire right now.
And this is a fiberglass front end?
Yeah, full fiberglass front clip. I drive it on the street. It's got turning signals. It's got headlights. I've never had an issue with any exhaust work or any issues with the cops. It's been a fun car to drive on the street. I get away with it because it's an old car.
Yeah, it looks legit too, right? You really got to come up close to see that it's fiberglass. From a distance, it looks like it's just a different color, right?
Exactly,
so,
yeah.
That's all right. That's cool. What's the tranny?
Tranny's a TH350 3-speed.
3-speed?
So it's just a standard slap shift 3-speed. Probably going to go to a TH400 next if this one doesn't hold out. But everything's held up so far except for that turbo, but I don't need to replace it if I don't have to right now. Cool. Yeah.
So what are you doing with this car? Are you racing any series? Or?
Racing, we just first time out at the series. We did the CSC yesterday. Yeah. Good time. I ran the V8 Pro bracket class. Came second. I had disqualified myself for running faster than my own ET. So I ran a 10.9 at 11 second. I was supposed to run 11.0. I ran a 10.9 without knowing that I was going to run a 10.9. Okay. So I disqualified myself there. But no, she was running great up until the end of it today. Yeah. So the first series for me.
Oh, cool. What are your plans with it in the future?
I want to do the Ontario Street Outlaws, the rookie class.
Ah, nice.
They've got that rookie class going on. I've spoken to Paul himself. I want to do it next year.
So that's an 1150 index.
That is, yep.
Cool.
Yep.
Cool, yeah.
Yeah, I run it at this because on the 7 pounds it ran 11.5s, 11.3s, 11.5s. It was consistent in the 11.50s. Okay. So cool. It's probably on 7 pounds it should do that just easily.
Yeah, that's a cool class. There's a lot of cool cars in there. So
yeah.
That'll be fun.
Yeah.
That'll be cool to see. All right. Well, hey man, thanks for
thank you very much for the interview.
Man.